Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on scandal. So Onhlaso was just worried that Ntuns is manipulating Day, making him forget like something is fishy. Goes to Taps is like, we're family, I'm not gonna believe you over Mtunzi. And then he goes to Tap's dad, and Tap's dad is like, bring me proof. But then he ended up going there to talk to Day. Day caught him up at, why are you here? Who told you these things about me lashing out at the workers? And then they started discussing, and then no Mtunes, because somebody thought it was Mtunes at first who went to his brother, but Mtunes like, no, it's not me. Why would I do that? Then they realized it was Tloso, because Tloso knows about the missing meetings and the car keys that got lost. And then they called Tloso in, and Somide was furious, saying that you're going around telling everyone that I'm crazy. We're done here. You are fired. By the time I get back, this person must be gone. Akase-shocked uNhloso ukuthi how just by trying to help you now sengixoshiwe akasajabulanga umthunzi. And then uLihle is her first day at work kwaDintle at the boutique. Kanye is there, excited to see her, but akasemuncu girl because she knows what's going on with this Dintle girl. And then Mathubelo calls Philisiwe off. How can you sell your daughter like that? So you're using your daughter to get close to Dintle just because you want to stop this affair. You're not, what if umntwana ufunda izinto ezimbi and that. But then Madlomo is confused because umntwana akhe nje uyamthemba. She won't learn anything bad from uDintle. And then uNtuthuko is going all out to find out why were you arguing noDintle, what's going on? Because uNtuthuko was starting to feel because there's something like engathi ayihlangani. Ngapha ugogo uMamthubela is going all out with the twins, excited and offering things that she was using Kopoko to these kids. Our clock is like, let's talk to that, the doctor says. But at least now she's actually like asking for permission before she does things to the kids. So that's a good sign. So Upototo was chatting to Tutugo and sort of let it out to it must be about the affair his father is having with Udintle, not knowing that Tutugo does not know about this. Wakwata Tutugo Kanunabo went to attack his father, telling him, what kind of a father are you? How could you cheat on mom while she was sick? First it was see with that psycho, now Udintle. What kind of a man are you? What weird like Baba Kenqindi, and then he held him and then said, calm down, Umadlome had to come, and Nomabomngani, they just like broke the fight. Wasuguntutugo went to Dintle's boutique, got there and said, good Dintle, how could you do this? Why would you let this happen? Lana. What kind of a person are you? What are you teaching your child? Dintle but no, please stop. My child is here. Ati, is that what you're teaching her? Someone must tell you, Guti, lento yenza is rubbish. I feel umadloma lamule. And then Unhloso tells his uncle that he lost his job. His uncle gave him a job as an assistant at the butchery. Told him, I can't match your salary, but at least it's something. And then Usumite calls the staff, tells them that Unhloso is no longer working with them. But Umtuns will now work with them. Umtuns will now be managing the supermarket and managing the center as well. And then Umncane goes to Semide to tell him, we're all trying to look out for you, but what you just did now, so Xosha noNhloso, lo muntu lo ubuthembe yena lo uzokujikela. Semide did not even want to hear it. Athi nje umntwanami, what is it about umthunzi? All of you must just get out of here nje as long as nginomthunzi, right? Umthunzi was so happy to hear ukuthi babakhe uthi as long as he's there, and is sorted. Khopolo found out ukuthi uNhloso uxoshiwe, went to apologize and said, I'm sorry you lost your job. I swear I did not mention your name. And then goes to Semidiyata, why is uxosha uNhloso manje? Athi wena ungangeni indaba zami, if you want us to get along and not go back to the past ukuthi asikhulumisane, just let this go. Ajabule komthunzi ukuthi now he's alienating ubhuti wakhe no Semiday, and then offered ukuthi they must have a drink together. Hi decides to poison him. Umthunzi puts pills in Semiday's drink. And then one of the kids is having hiccups that are going like just sort of going on non-stop. Magogo Mathubele came to the rescue. Ka Pampiri white most fatlhegong, but Chloe wasn't happy about this, saying that it's so unhygienic that she's putting saliva on her baby's forehead. Unhloso did not go home. Dintle was explaining to her everything that Tutugo did, humiliating her in front of Kanye and even spitting at her. Waqasuka uNhloso wathi nje, this boy has crossed the line. Ngeke ngihambe, I won't leave you like this. Uyiwani, I'll spend the night here, I won't go home. Hey, ugayi ukhohliwe ukuthi unomndeni. And then uMadlomo is busy trying to make a phone call. At first I thought he's trying to call Nhloso, kanti uNtuthuko also didn't come home. Ethulele kamngani wakhe. Abuye Nhlusuko ekuseni athi nje, I'm just I wish ubaba vele wahlale in prison. Bese right kabi nje engekho. And then uNhloso goes to Madlomo. Guys, not even sorry for not sleeping at home. Says uMadlomo ukuthi he didn't come home because didn't want to continue fighting with him. Athi uMadlomo uNtuthuko did not even come home kenjalo, niyafana nje nonke anibuya ngendlini. Athi like mina nawe nje sasewumyeni nonkosikazi because manje you keeping secrets from me. Angitshelani ukuthi wedlekela umsebenzi. Try to make excuses, but then nje uMadlomo uyabona ukuthi hayi cha kuphi. And then uMthunzi busy shem trying to get imali kaSemiday. After dragging Semiday, he transferred 20,000 to his account. And then told Semiday ukuthi hawu ungisendele 20,000, what is it for? Semiday is shocked. Abe like hawu ngikusendela ngikhombe notification. As you know what, let me return it. You know what, this thing is getting out of hand. What if you had sent that money to someone else? Let me manage your account. Now he's telling Semiday he must just get Semiday's app on his phone, and then so he can manage the account. And also Semiday must call the bank and tell them he change his number so that everything giving umthunzi. Umthunzi means business, hey? Ngapha uMathubela is going all out with the kids. She has officially like taken over. She's doing a great job though. She continues to surprise her, but I think Tukulu is happy about everything that's happening and how Mathubela is taking care of the kids. I think Utlhogi is too, just that the push about her wanting Tlhogi to give the baby solid food is what is taking Tlhogi off the wrong way. So Nhloso came home and said he wants a moment with Ntuthuko, and then started talking to him. Why did he do the nonsense that he did? Khuluma noDinhle kanje waqasuka uNtuthuko ethi, you're doing all of this for uDinhle, you don't even care about us, you don't care about uma is sick, but you're doing all this, you're a useless father. Waqasuka uNhloso wamuthi ngempama. Hi uMadlomo, what, you know what, you're not gonna hit my son ever again. This better be the first and last time. You know Ntuthuko is a good boy. And then uDinhle goes to the ebushari to see uNhloso. Angaphathekanga kabi ubaba omncane, because I don't think he wants to be associated with any of these, hey? And then Bridget keeps on poking her nose in Tunzi's affairs, talks to Nhloso saying she's sorry about him losing his job, and that he knows all of this is Tunzi instigating it. Nhloso is happy that at least one of the people at Mbeni can see Tunzi is the one behind this whole thing. And then Kgopolo comes in to see Semiday and sort of learns about the 500,000 that he sent to Mthunzi and everything that Mthunzi is planning to do about managing Semiday's account. And he talks to Mthunzi, realizes how Mthunzi is all in and it's all about money. Kgopolo suggests you're going to have a banker who's going to manage your finances instead of Mthunzi. Mthunzi tries to come in, Kgopolo. It felt like the old Kenneth Mashaba is back. Wamvala acted as if this was Mthunzi's idea. Semiday took it because he thought it was Mthunzi's idea. So Semiday is going to have a banker instead of Mthunzi handling everything. Kgopolo even made sure he calls the bank himself and Mthunzi doesn't get to do it. And then Magogo Mathubele overhears Tlhogi is not the mother. Tlhogi did not carry the twins. And she goes and assumes the kids are not Tlhogi's kids. It's like Sendane, Tukulu is forcing Tlhogi to raise the kids. The kids belong to Msado Mungwe. Now she's calling Wanahai Gidi. Gidi is like, please stay out of this. Remember, these are your bosses. Just do your work. But I don't think Gugu's going to let this one go, hey? No. So Dintswala went to Dintle's boutique asking her how girly. Like, how do you feel dating a man who's beneath you? Like, he's not even on your level. He's got a family. Dintle when I listen here, I love Nhloso. And his potential, push once abawaka. Him and I are going up to the top. Auntie Lihle is listening. Lihle was rattled. She went to her dad and asked him, Papa, are you leaving us? I said, no, I'm not leaving. I love my family. I'm not going anywhere. Kamo, Mtunzi is shaken by Hopulo suggesting a private banker. He calls Dambiza. Dambiza sort of gives him an idea because he can be the private banker. Then he goes into Samide's office, steals Samide's phone, and then speaks to the banker when the banker calls, telling him that he doesn't need the services, and then gives back the phone to Samide and calls Samide with the banner phone, pretending to be a banker, lying to Samide, saying that there are fees that he'd have to pay. Firstly, the 50,000 startup, and then after that, the 20% of all the transactions that he's going to make. Samide is like, hi, this is not for me, I don't want it. And then Matuela, since she overheard that girl, Ari, Tori is not the mother of the kids, she thinks Hori Tukulo cheated and now Tori is raising kids, Janyat. Now she decides to go to levels and called Tukulo to order. When she gets there, what's it like? Kuku really like mafatla go man. Like enough, Tukulo got distracted, and then Tinsolo clarified her, hey, bana ba like batlhogi, they were conceived ka surrogate. And then Makoko Kirona Kalohanyang, she almost ruined her job, hey, meddling in people's businesses. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.